Today, we open our doors not just to showcase that we have output, but to invite our military students and their parents into the heart of our vision. To our prospective students, this day is about you will need the potential and the future you can look to your parents and guardians. This is an opportunity to see the university that will change, guide, and nurture your child into a leader who will not only succeed but thrive in today's world. The promise of Wigwe University. Wigwe University is not just another institute of higher education. It is a realization of a whole vision rooted in the values of excellence, innovation, and leadership, and inspired by our founder, Dr. Wigwe. We are determined to ignite Africa's potential for prosperity, nurture thoughtful and fearless citizens, and set the standard as a leading university in Africa. To our students, this is where your journey begins. Here, your ambitions will mean boundless opportunities. We are committed to providing you with the transformative education that will empower you to shape your future.
Colleges at Wigwe University. So we have the College of Engineering, we have the College of Science and Community, we have the College of Management and Social Sciences, and then we have the College of Arts.
Welcome to the College of Arts, Wigwe University. We don't fear anything here. Innovation, we're ready, just bring it on. Okay? Creativity, we're ready, bring it on. Okay? That's why we call ourselves the fearless.
We're trying to ignite in you the potential to have an entrepreneurial mindset. In other words, you are graduating to become job creators, not job seekers.
My name is Kerry Chidrella from College of Science and Computing. My department, my course of study is Robotics Engineering and Artificial Intelligence.
So we are headed to the sport arena, the university clinic, and the accommodations.